best RC helicopters are a fun hobby to pick up for those who love the idea of flying but want to keep their feet on the ground. Many of today's crafts do 3D aerobatics and stunts, some are lightweight and made to push speed boundaries, and a few are aimed right at beginners and also kids. No matter what your skill level, we have a chopper for you. My favorite is the DEERC DE51. This small copter works for beginners or more advanced pilots, is fun to get up in the air, and is the cheapest heli on the market. There are a few helis that catch my eye this year. Here's my list of the best RC helicopters of the year. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video I present you 5 best RC helicopters for beginners 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Busco brand. The 2.4G remote frequency enables the players to operate the device from any position and any angle in the house without worrying about the signal problem. If you have 2 different helicopters or other remote control toy, they can fly at the same time without any interference. Parents and kids are able to have a race and enjoy the parent-children time. 2 batteries included prolong your play time to 30 to 34 minutes. The small size makes it flexible flying indoors. Stable hover with upgraded Gyro. The helicopter is equipped with the latest Gyro system, which enables it to hover stably in the air. When you release your control, it will just hover and waiting for your command. That makes it easy for beginners and kids. The 3.5 channels helicopter can fly up, down, forward, backward, turning left, turning right or stay hovering. Besides, there are more functions on the remote, including 1-key takeoff/landing and trim button. Number 4 in our top is from the Gyro brand. With the altitude hold function, the helicopter for kids will keep hovering stably on its own when you release the throttle stick. Equipped with 2.4 GHz remote control signal, which provides a stable signal source and prevents signal interference when multiple helicopters are playing at the same time. The remote control helicopter is in 3.5 ch. It flies significantly better than traditional 3-channel helicopters and moves flexibility. Forward, backward, turn left, turn right, ascend, descend, left, right fine-tuning. Made from new alloy material to protect the internal parts of the fuselage, coupled with the high-toughness blades and frame, enhance the flying toy's anti-collision and anti-fall ability, no longer have to worry about the blade fracture. This RC helicopter is equipped with the built-in gyroscope technology, combined with 1-key takeoff, landing and auto-hovering function. No matter you are a novice or a beginner, you can easily master the flying technology. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the SIMA brand. The frame is built of alloy which is strong and has enough weight to it that it does not feel cheaply made. The RC airplane has altitude hold function. It could hover at a certain altitude automatically after taking off with the advanced barometric pressure technology. Equipped with a 2.4 GHz remote control system, it can offer a stable signal and be operated more flexible for a long distance. This RC helicopter is equipped with the latest gyroscope technology. 100% assembled. You can play it easily with 1-key takeoff/landing, high/low speed, left-right fine-tune. With the bright LED light, you can even fly it in the dark. Each set of aircrafts comes with 2 rechargeable batteries for long periods of flight. Besides, when the airplane flying with low voltage, the LED light of helicopter will flash to remind you to let it come back. Primarily for indoor use and sometimes for outdoor use without a little wind. This model is an ideal recreational toy for beginners, advanced and professionals. It's easy to figure out even with so many functions. Perfect gift for both children and adults. Number 2 in our top is from the Cheerwing brand. Built-in Wi-Fi camera for enjoying a live video and photos in real time on your phone. Just press one key to start flight. This mini helicopter will take off and hover at a certain height, which makes it easier to control the helicopter for beginners and kids. Updated with altitude hold function, this helicopter can be locked at a certain height when your hands are off the controller. This helicopter toy features 2 speed modes which make it suitable for pilots with different skill levels. Plus 2.4 GHz remote control system, supports multiple players control this mini helicopter at the same time. Ideal toys gift for kids and your friends. With metal frame and flexible blades, which provides to withstand dozens of crashes, makes this mini helicopter more tough and durable. Adopts 2.4 GHz frequency technology, allows more than 2 players to play this mini helicopter at the same time. You can have a racing competition with your kids and friends. And finally, the #1 product in our top is part of the DEERC brand. Equip 2 different helicopter shells to choose different shells as you like, easy to assemble. This 2.4 GHz RC helicopter is equipped with the latest gyroscope technology and automatic pair. Turn on the RC helicopter's power switch, then turn on the remote, and when you hear one beep, that is automatic pair success. Ideal for beginners, advanced, and professionals. The RC helicopter with altitude hold function. Under these functions that the RC helicopter can keep a hovering height. It is easy to operate for kids and beginners. Equipped with a 2.4 GHz remote control system, what it does is that it can offer a stable signal and it has a non-jamming function. It can prevent signal interference when multiple helicopters playing at the same time. Equip the newest modular battery that is different from other helicopter batteries. You can enjoy the fun of driving for about 20+ minutes a time with this remote control helicopter, which is longer than other RC helicopter. The USB cable provides more convenience for charging. Which RC helicopter for beginners would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.